Ooh, some places I said it's way worse than America.
I would
No,
never.
thank
Yeah.
you.
I'll pick American jail any day, even though I know I got to fight and everything. I will still pick
Yeah.
it. Sorry.
Hey, Ben, do you mind passing me those 2 towels?
Sure.
Put them underneath my shoulders. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, but then she starts doing a really, really great job. Like I'm talking about super. Because you're actually on a muscle. Now, even though this is at level 1 and it may not seem like we're doing anything, you're gonna see when we have the clothes off, you'll see her body vibrating. It's too much on one.
Okay, that's it. Usually in this lower back area, or is it neck and shoulders too?
All over.
Yeah.
Every therapy just because it's a female or man. No, it don't work that
Yeah,
way.
that's why I hate when guys assume. It's like, you know, I have my license in here, I have whatever. I know that some people do that, and you know what? I'm mad at it only because then it just warrants people to come to me. It's like, you know what? If you do what you do behind your closed doors, whatever it is, but just don't label it as massage or professional massage just because I don't want to have to be harassed by that.
Right.
If it's my boyfriend, my people, absolutely.
Oh,
You know,
yeah, all day, yeah.
Whatever, all day, like.
Mm-hmm.
But like a stranger, like first of all,
Right,
no,
you don't
sir.
No.
No.
Well, see, I know that, and like I said, I was just like any other guy. I didn't see that until, like, really? I gotta complain? Like, yeah, it hurt. It's like, wait a minute, what are you saying? Wait, police guy get called? I am a police. You know what I mean? Like, it hits home. Like, you know what I mean? Like, wait a minute, am I? Huh? She said, oh shit. It's like you can't even believe this happening. So like, you know what? I am glad that shit happened earlier in my life. Thank God I didn't have kids. I wasn't married. I don't know. Can you imagine me coming home? Oh, hey, baby, I know nothing happened, but this is what I'm being accused. She's gone. You know what I mean? Like, yo, there's no recovering from that. Even if it's not your fault. It's
just.
Because it's always gonna be something in your mind that says, well, what did happen? You know what I mean? Like, and even if there's a videotape in the room, well, what if there's no audio? Oh, well, we don't have him saying that or her saying.
Right, we don't have express consent. Whatever it is.
Right, and you might not can't use that video in the court anyways. Inadmissible, because don't you need third party consent to have a video? Don't you need to have a waiver? And at that time,
because now be another thing against you.
It's like, oh, we gotta arrest him for this too.
Something.
Because he's violating. But